was writing on my planner, and I decided that I will show how it went the last 3 months. So this is January. I'm sure that I saw some a lot. These are my tasks for the week, some of the pictures and everything that I did, and not a lot of change on the monthly one. And all that I did is, of course, try to document with pictures and what I do. This is more like having fun and showing how I am managing. A lot of stickers are kind of Christmassy, but it's because I have them and they look cute. But as you can see, a lot of times, like these are chocolate that I got for, I think it was just New Year. And I have some chocolates with my tea and part of it every day, how it goes. I was sewing. I did a little more of my sewing, and that's good. I did my cleaning of the vacuum for my computer, my gaming, and everything well related. And I use more now my gaming also here. Oh, I got these chocolates that were so delicious, and of course I have to put a little picture of the paper of the chocolates. There is. We went to have dinner outside, and this was in what is the place? It was in the Alderwood Mall. Yeah, nice seafood. Here more planning, more of my planning here, part here, and here part of my gaming, and other more. I have work related. Sometimes I didn't put so many things, and I put just stickers to make it, because I like to fill. Other times I just put exactly what time, and it's not all the time that I fill out the information, as you can see here. Then we have here just more of the planning part. Let's see, I think I'm too close. Better? Yeah, I think it's better. So, part there, here the same. Some days, as I say, sometimes I don't feel so much information, and then I get like doing more. Like this one, it has more of what I did. Same here. And the same in this way. Sometimes also this is from the gas station, and some more. That's the way that I plan. I didn't put anything on this one, so it's something that I can just remove if I want, and it didn't bother me at all. Then it comes February. I put more stickers. This was more like Valentine's, Super Bowl, Heidi's birthday, and all this. It has a little change on my daily task for every day and everything, but maybe I will share another day how it's like kind of organize this cleaning and everything. And of course February is a shorter day, a week, month, and just my task. I love to also decorate and planning. The same, this time I'm being like using part of my gaming thing. I love to play my computer game, and I love to keep information and help me in that way. Here it was another day that I have more different chocolates that I really enjoyed, and I have this paper from the chocolates. Here just some of the information, not a lot. I could put a sticker, but I didn't. Here the same, I didn't put the information of this. I think I finished now. I forgot totally. Like sometimes I just forget about that, but I have things that I've been doing, like my groceries, more of the gaming, and not a lot of the things that I did at home. same. I have days that I'm really active on my planner, others I'm not. And as you can see, sometimes I don't even mark here, but I just follow what I'm doing. Other times I begin to mark and then I forget. And there it's going. And here the same, this was from the Super Bowl. I have a picture there, but it was the day that happened the Super Bowl, and I have how we did. Same here, this was the week that I was actually filming with all the holidays and everything, and there is all the stickers and pictures, and then Heidi's birthday too. I didn't put a lot, but it was more because I spent time filming and doing like editing videos and everything, so that is practically what is going on. Not a lot on this day or these, just few things. More active in this one, and oh, again I was planning to do vignettes and I didn't do it, so maybe we'll do another day. Not too much here. And then these are the last days of February, and like I say, and this you saw when I was doing all my microgreens and all the planting. So that is January and February. March is beginning different. These are my daily tasks, a little difference than the other one. More watering plants, more decluttering, and more cleaning of windows more than anything. The sweep and mop I have this time twice. I have on Sunday, and where is the other one? I put, oh, sweep and mop Wednesday. So I have these. Why? Because it's raining a lot. Spring usually also bring a lot of rain, and my dogs come and go outside, inside, and my floors get really messy. So that's one of the difference. I actually was thinking that I need to put twice wash my blanket, like, but that will be more on my monthly, because I have vacuum computer, wash pillows, clean aquarium, clean porch, bath to Frosty, and I think I have to put 2 wash blanket, like 1 and 1 or 1 and 1, because yeah, my dog loves to jump there and can be a pain. I think I will do that. I will add this once and kind of plan when I will do it. And that is everything that I have here for the month. It's like holidays that I have coming is International Women's Day, a birthday of my aunt, Father's Day in my country, spring, anniversary of my dad, and St. Patrick.